Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 12, Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acids, part 3. Physical properties, nature of intermolecular forces. The aldehyde and ketone molecules possess polar covalent bond, and due to polar covalent bond there is dipole-dipole forces of attraction, and the molecules orient in such a way as to have oppositely polarized atoms facing each other. See the diagram. And carboxylic acid possess hydrogen bonding. This is hydrogen bonding, partial positive charge and partial negative charge. So due to this partial positive and negative charges, there is hydrogen bonding, and due to this hydrogen bonding, the carboxylic acids have strongest intermolecular forces of attraction. Physical state and boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. Formaldehyde is a gas at room temperature and having irritating odor. Acetaldehyde is liquid at room temperature and pleasant odor. Acetone is liquid at room temperature and has pleasant odor. But the higher compounds of ketones have bland odor. Bland means non-irritating or stimulating odor. Boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. Let us see the boiling points of aldehydes: methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol. Boiling point rises from 252 Kelvin to 392 Kelvin. And see ketones. Propanone means acetone, butanone, pentanone, hexanone. 329 to 400 Kelvin means increasing boiling points in the homologous series of aldehydes and ketones. Solubility of aldehydes and ketones. Lower aldehydes and ketones are soluble in water because they forms hydrogen bonding. So this is aldehyde or ketone forms the hydrogen bonding with water molecule. This type of bonding is called as hydrogen bonding, and this is not possible in higher aldehydes and ketones because of the proportion of hydrocarbon part increases and solubility of aldehyde and ketones decreases. Physical state, boiling points and solubility of carboxylic acids. Lower aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless liquids with irritating odors. Higher homologous are colorless, odorless, wax-like solids, have low volatility. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling points than those of alkanes, and carboxylic acid forms dimer For example, acetic acid forms a dimer even at gaseous state, and due to the dimer formation, size of molecule increases, its boiling point increases, and intermolecular van der Waals forces also increases. Boiling points: formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, valeric acid. Boiling point 373 Kelvin to 460 Kelvin, means as the carbon atom increases in the homologous series, boiling point of carboxylic acid increases. Polarity of carbonyl group originates from higher electronegativity of oxygen and resonance effect. These are the resonating structures of carbonyl group, and pi bonded electrons are shifted on oxygen. Oxygen becomes negative charged, carbon becomes positive, means it is electron loving or electrophilic and is susceptible to attack by nucleophile. Reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. The reactivity of aldehydes and ketones is due to the polarity of aldehydes and ketones, polarity of ketone or aldehyde group, and this can be explained with the help of influence of electronic effects, electron donating inductive effect, that is called as a positive inductive effect of alkyl groups, and in ketones and aldehydes the electron donating inductive effect. In ketones there are two alkyl groups, in aldehydes only one alkyl group. So aldehydes have one electron donating group, so aldehydes more electrophilic than ketones. Steric effect: in ketones two alkyl groups are present, so in ketones there is more steric effect or steric hindrance, means more obstruction or interruption or barrier for attack of nucleophile. And in aldehydes only one alkyl group is present, so there is less crowding or less crowded or sterically less hindered, hence aldehydes are more easily attacked by nucleophiles. Chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Laboratory tests for aldehydes and ketones. Tests given by only aldehydes. First test, chip base test, shape base or chip base test. First, sulfur dioxide gas is passed through chip base reagent. Then we get colorless solution of chip base. and few drops of colorless solution mixed with aldehyde, and we get pink color, or pink color appears slowly. This confirms the presence of aldehyde functional group. Tollens test or silver mirror test. When an aldehyde is boiled with Tollens reagent, silver mirror is formed. Aldehyde is converted into carboxylate ion and silver plus ion reduced to silver. Preparation of solution. When silver nitrate is mixed with sodium hydroxide, silver hydroxide and sodium nitrate is obtained. Silver hydroxide, when mixed with ammonia liquid, it is converted into silver ammonia complex and used as a Tollens reagent for silver mirror test. Watch the experiment of silver mirror test or Tollens reagent test. Failing test. When a mixture of aldehyde and failing solution is boiled in hot water, a red precipitate of cuprous oxide is formed. Aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion and copper plus 2 ion is reduced to copper plus 1 ion, and failing solution is a mixture of copper sulfate and alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartarate, which is called as Rochelle salt. Copper sulfate is called as failing A solution, and alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartarate or Rochelle salt is called as failing B solution. When equimolecular quantity of failing A and failing B is mixed, that is called as failing solution. When reacted with aldehyde, this aldehyde is converted into carboxylate ion and copper plus 2 ions are converted into copper plus 1 ion, and red precipitate of copper oxide or cuprous oxide is obtained. Laboratory test for ketonic group. Sodium nitroprusside test. When freshly prepared solution of sodium nitroprusside is mixed with ketone and few drops of sodium hydroxide added, red coloration is obtained. This indicates the presence of ketonic group. But when ketone is mixed with sodium hydroxide, first ketone anion is obtained. This ketone anion combined with nitroprusside ion and complex of nitroprusside is obtained, that is red in color. This indicates the presence of ketonic group. So this is the laboratory test for ketonic group.